Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today our topic is related with the previous video, ground and pipe elevation of the profile. So this is the second list which I want to share. There are two types of list. One is for the annotative text and another one is for the normal text. The functions of the both lists are the same, but only this is the difference that one is annotative and the second one is normal text. I will test here only this one, so I have to load this list. Inside of this list, three commands we can apply. For example, first let me move this profile from here to here. Now I have to check the ID. I will check the location. So the x is not 0 and the y is not 0. This command is using for to annotate the levels and changes of the profile in multiple areas. So I will try the first command, DAT, enter. It is asking from me the station, which station you want to be 0, 0. For example, I want this station and this elevation 0, 0. So for the station I will put 0. The datum elevation it is asking, so the same I have to give the 0. Now pick the datum point. So I want this point to be datum of the profile. Click here. Now I have to check ID, enter. Check the coordinate here. So now the datum is set here 0, 0. Now the next command I want to annotate the stations and elevations. So the command is stn, enter. It is asking the vertical scale of the profile. Here this profile scale is exaggerated 10 times. So I will put 10. So now click there, the same area you want that area level and change. For example, I want here, in what level, click and click here. See the station and elevation came here. The second point I want here. You can compare the elevation here and here. 1.44, 1.44, 3.785, 3.785. Any area if you need the station and elevation. Now the third command, if you want to reset the datum again, UW ID. Now the datum is reset. So this text is annotative text. If you want, I have to make the video about annotative text. So give me the comments. I will make a video about that. So hopefully guys, this video will be helpful for you. I will give the link of this list in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.